Right, from what I understand, there are still people out there who are having some issues with this dash cam. They can't figure out how to lock it, how to lock a video so that you can't accidentally write over it. I'm going to show you how to do it. And before I do that, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on the buttons. And one other thing, you must plug it into power because it will keep shutting down. So I find if you're going to do it inside your house, you plug in a power lead. If you're doing it in the car, it's the same thing. Make sure it's got power and it will work perfectly all the time. Would help if you put it around the right way. It will come on automatically, provided it's got power. It will start recording once you check the memory card out, as you can see out there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly show you the buttons. So you have 4 buttons in total, and the top one is the up button, or forward the menu button, and also the lock button for what we're going to be using in a minute. The middle black one is the menu button or the back button. So it's a menu button or back button depending on whereabouts you are on the screen. And the bottom black one is the down button or turn off the audio, and the orange one is the on off button and stop recording button. So with that out of the way, press the orange button once. So that's been recording for what, 50 odd seconds now. It's not recording much, but you know, it is recording. Now if I want to lock that, if I want to save that video and not have it overwritten, it's quite easy to do, because what happens is when it gets to the end of the memory card, it will loop back round and delete the first video. So the way you want to stop this happening, in case for whatever reason you've seen something happen and you want to save the recording, these are in 5-minute segments, by the way. All you have to do is just press this button once. So just press it once. So it's the top button, yeah, top one. Just press it once. Don't hold it in, just press it like so. This EMR will come up, and when it's finished looping, it will have saved it for you, and it will put it in events rather than in videos, so that you can't be deleted by mistake. Right, so now that's saved, you can stop this recording if you want, and we're going to do that anyway. So we stop recording, and now we're going to have a look. So we're going to go into events, and the way you do that is go to the menu button and you hold it in. See that? Let go, hold it in again. And there we go. So we have events, video and photos. So we click on the orange button to get up the events, which is your enter button. There it is, that is a video, and we're going to try it out just to prove the point. Press the orange button again, press it one more time. So that's it recording. That is a recording, and that is in events. It does not overwrite in events, only in video. So we're going to stop that, and going to go back. The back button is the menu button again, don't forget, just keep pressing it. So now we're in here. If we go into video, it will not be in here. But I'm going to show you something else. So there's another one I was done earlier, while I was practicing. Press the orange button, press it again to get a play, and this one's only 6 seconds long. Now if I want to save this, press the menu button. Right, say I want to save that one, press it again. So press it again till you're back here. Right, that's the top one, yeah? So if I want to save that, all you need to do is hold this menu button in for a few seconds, and you get this come up. It says delete current file, delete all files, lock current file. So basically you can lock it. So scroll down, press the orange button, scroll down one more, press the orange button again, and now that video is locked. So if we go back to prove the point, go back, click on menu, goes back there, click on menu one more time, then go up to events, which is the up button, click on the orange button, and now there is 2 videos in there because you've locked another video, and you can lock as many videos as you like. So that's how you do it. So all the videos in events will not be overwritten or deleted unless you tell it to delete. So to delete them, well, actually we're going to quickly play both of them because I'm not sure which one's which. So press play. Now that's the 7-second one or 6 seconds, whatever it was. That's a short one, that's it. So the top one is the latest one I've just done. So the way to delete these is you hold in the menu button, that one now, again for so many seconds. It comes up, delete current file, so press the orange. Again, scroll down, press delete. Let's just go back and see if it's been deleted. There it goes. Right, so it's been deleted, and now we need to get rid of this one. To get rid of this one, we need to unlock it. So again, holding the menu button in, comes up here. Scroll down, click on unlock current file, press the orange button. Scroll down, press it once. So that is now unlocked. So we can go up here and delete current. Click on that. Again, scroll down, press it once. And that should be gone. Let's check it. No files. So that's how you delete it. So that's all done. So hopefully this video has helped you. If it does, give me the thumbs up. If it hasn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.